hear everyone, but no need to speak like that. Okay? Please keep your mics off. Keep your mic off, Adrika. Okay, Kartika is also sent me in 4th day. Kartik, draw the lines with a scale. A grand total bhi nahi kiya hai, Kartik. Kartik is here? No, he is not here. Let him come, then I'll say. Beta, see, again I'm having one more period in your class today. Everyone, 4th class. I'm having one more period in your class today. That is, I think, the 4th lecture. 4th period. I'm having 4th period as an arrangement in your class. All right, everyone? In 4th period, you all will be ready with your books and notebooks. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, we will not do 3rd and 4th.
No, we will not do 3rd and 4th. We'll do directly the 5th one. Okay? So grand total is coming to please. How much is the grand totaling coming?
Ma'am, the grand totaling is coming rupees 3,300.
Ma'am, the grand total is coming. Ma'am, rupees 3,379.0 paise.
All right. 1649. Is this the answer? 1649?
No, ma'am.
Then, is it the answer? 1649, everyone? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, rupees 3,379.00 paise.
3000 तो बेटा हो ही नहीं सकता है. Devansh Rai? Devansh Rai is here. Devansh Rai.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Wait. With Devansh Rai है इधर? नहीं है. He is not here. हमने 1649 लिखा हुआ है बेटा. 1649 is the correct answer. Everyone is wrong. अच्छा ये फर्स्ट वाले का है क्या? No, no, no. It is the correct answer. Yes, everyone.
But in quantity, glass and bowls you have written 6, so it become bigger number.
कितना दिया हुआ है? कुछ और दिया है क्या? उसमें something else is given.
No, ma'am, they are same. Bowls and no, ma'am, they are same.
Beta, but the answer is coming. Okay, let me check.
Ma'am,
7,
the quantity you have
3,
written
6, 12, 12, 7, 19. 1 carryover. 6, 7, 13. 13 plus 3 is 16 and 17. All right. All right, all right, all right. There are some mistakes.
Book also it is given, ma'am, 1649. Ma'am, in the book also it is given 1649.
Okay, let me check it, sir. 00 paise will remain as 00 paise. 6, 6, 12, 12, 19.
Ma'am, because in quantity, glasses and bowls will come 1 and you have 6.
Kitni? Let me check it. 7, 7, 14, 14 and 3. 7, 7, 14 and 3, 17. 1, 6, 2, 8, 8, 8, 16, 16 and 7, 7, 6, 13, 23. See, beta, this is the answer coming, 3379. Who said the answer is coming this?
It is written a set of 6 glasses. Ma'am, so, my also. Bowls will come 1, then only it will come.
Ma'am, my is correct. Ma'am, I am correct.
Let me check it. Let me check it. Let me check the answers those who have sent to me. अर्जुन का ठीक था थोड़ा बहुत. फोर्थ सी आप लोगों ने सबने गलत किया बेटा. Why so? सबने रॉन्ग किया है. फोर्थ सी. And what is this way? Who is written like this? Jayesh. Iram, please switch off your mic and change your name. Jayesh, are you able to hear me, Jayesh? Jayesh, आपने एक मिस्टेक की है बेटा. Okay, Jayesh, I'm right. Beta 3379 answer is coming.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, change it, everyone. I don't know how you come to get 1649. Most of you have written this.
Ma'am, I have also sent this.
नहीं, देवांश राय आपका ठीक है. देवांश राय आपने ठीक लिखा है बेटा. सॉरी. बट रुपीज साइन नहीं लगाया देवांश राय. देवांश राय आपने रुपीज का साइन नहीं लगाया है. अदर्स रुपीज का साइन लगाओ देवांश राय.
Okay.
यस बेटा.
Ma'am, I cannot understand how it can be 3379.00 पैसे.
बेटा इसको ऐड करना होता है. मैंने बोला था आपको वो जो लास्ट कॉलम है, the last column. See, let me explain you again. You're making a lot of mistakes. Let me explain you again. One toaster is of 67 rupees, so one toaster will remain same cost. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So 1200. Okay, 6 की multiply 146 से करोगे तो you will get 876. इसकी multiply इससे करोगे तो you will get 2636. Now add them. Make sure ones place के नीचे ones place आएगा, tens place के नीचे tens आएगा, hundreds के नीचे hundreds और thousands के नीचे thousands. अगर थोड़ा भी इधर उधर होगा, then your answer will definitely be wrong. All right? Your answer will definitely be wrong if you are not going to put the numbers ones under ones, tens under tens.
Ma'am, your video
Yes.
because excuse me, ma'am.
No excuse. Please type in the chat box. Please type in the chat box. I am not able to. All right. Wait for a minute. Beta, there are some network issues. Due to that, sometimes video may be paused.
Ma'am, I also have.
Those who are having doubt, please type in the chat box. I will write it. I will see from there in the chat box. My video is paused. That is not a problem because there are some network issues. It may get paused time to time. All right, I'm going to send it on the WhatsApp group also. If in case you need it. Yes, Devansh, now it is correct, beta.
Ma'am, I am Iram.
Correct on.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Not excuse. Please type your message in the chat box. Not excuse.
But ma'am, when I am sending it in the chat box, so ma'am, it's showing Maria the money is not in this meeting.
All right, थोड़ी देर बात कर देना बेटा. ठीक है? जब मेरी वीडियो ठीक से आने लगे, then you can start doing it. I'll send it on the WhatsApp group also, this question. Now everyone start doing the 5th question yourself. Start doing the 5th question yourself. Start doing the 5th question yourself, everyone.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
तो echo सुन लो ना बेटा थोड़ी सी.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
In book it's written a set of
Ma'am,
6
I
classes, a set
can
of 6
read the
books.
first.
Wait a second, beta,
Ma'am,
wait a second. All right. All right, beta, wait a second. Wait. There is some mistake done. See, that mistake done by me itself. Beta, see, mistake done by me itself. Okay, see what is the mistake here? Mrs. Das went to an electricity, bought a toaster for rupees, a set of 6 glasses for rupees 200 only. She has not bought 6 glasses for 1 rupees. Alright, so ये बेटा बंद ही आएगा यहाँ पर. She bought 6 glass set, a set of 6 glasses. Right, 6
Ma'am,
glasses.
my answer was correct.
6 glasses and set of 6
Ma'am,
glasses
I
is of
also.
200 rupees. All right, sorry beta, it was mistake done by me. A set of 6 bowls, a set of 6 bowls for rupees 146 itself. So here the question will be changed, answer will be changed here. 200 rupees and here it will be rupees
डालती है ना अलग
146 only. All right, then the number will be 1649.
of toaster glasses and bowls will be 1.
Yes, why? Because it is not given that cost of 1 glass. It is not given the cost of 1 glass. It is given the cost of 6 glasses.
Ma'am, my is also correct.
All right. It is not given the cost of each glass. It is given for a set of glasses. 6 bowls. Now it is correct. All right. Sorry, but it was done by mistake. I have not read. I read each also. I read the word each also. This is last one है 2 pans for rupees 318 each. अगर इसमें word each दिया होता तब यहाँ पर word name number change आता. Now correct it everyone. Just do it. Let me take a picture and send you again. That was the wrong picture sent actually. This is the correct one. Okay, I'm sending you on WhatsApp everyone. Now you can just check it from there. It will take time as there are no signals. Yes. Now everyone start doing the 5th bill. See the 5th bill. Question number 5. Start doing the 5th bill. Question number 5 yourself. 3, 4 are same, so we are not going to do the 3, 4. Do the 5th one yourself. Do question number 5 quickly.
Ma'am, we have to paste these bills in our maths fair copy.
Yes. After that, you have to paste these bills in your maths fair notebooks. Cut them and paste them in your maths fair notebook. And you can just decorate it afterwards. Not now, you can decorate it afterwards.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, instead of doing these bills in another page, ma'am, I have started doing this
It's
bill
all
in my
right.
fair
It's
note.
okay, okay. No issues, no problem. Now do the question number 5 yourself. It is of Mrs. Royville. All the misses are here. They are going to market again and again and they are buying something. Right? Question number 5, Mrs. Roy. Make a bill for Mrs. Roy, everyone. 2 TV sets, 2 music system, a microwave, and a mobile phone. She is bringing a lot of things. 2 TV sets, TV. What is she bringing? Another thing. What is the second thing she is bringing? What is the second thing she is bringing?
Ma'am, music system.
Music system. Then third thing. How many TV sets did she bought? How many TV sets did she bought?
Microwave. Ma'am, microwave.
2 TV sets. And the cost of one TV set is how much? Each is given, that is rupees 15770 rupees and 00 pesos. Music system, how much is the cost of music system?
Ma'am, in TV
Ma'am, in music system?
cost per piece column, ma'am, the cost of TV set is 15,775.